This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Bedroom Caroline Barca and Marsha Benson. Beautiful pool home in a desirable area on a dead-end street, has many custom-built finishes and beautiful lake view. Some of the upgrades include recently installed impact glass windows, fireplace with marble mantel, triple crown molding, central vacuum and built-in cabinets for office space. Attractive kitchen opens to family and or dining room, has indirect lighting, cabinet pullouts, farmhouse-style sink, granite and pantry. Master suite has a spa-like bathroom with step-in shower, frameless glass, dual vanities and walk-in closets with organizers. Florida room offers additional living space, new custom-made blinds and opens to pool area. Screened-in pool is solo heated and has a spacious paver deck area, designed for outdoor lifestyle. This home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Bedroom Caroline Barca and Marsha Benson at 772-485-2216.